All right, so let's go ahead and get started. And we're going to start with a new project. So go ahead and click on Xcode, File, New Project, and you're going to land on this screen. And select iOS as the template, app as the app template, iOS as the platform, and app as the template. Click Next. And here we can actually name our project. So let's go ahead and name this project Speech to Text SwiftUI final. Okay, and what we're going to do is we're going to leave the team as none. Organization identifier, choose something that is unique to you, and that will create the bundle identifier. We are going to be using SwiftUI as the interface. Language is going to be Swift, that's by default. Testing system none, storage none. Even though we are going to use Swift data, we're not going to select Swift data as a storage because there is a lot of boilerplate code that is created by Xcode when you select this storage, and we have to clean up. So, and Swift data is very easy to model and create. So we're gonna directly build it out in the project itself. Okay, so once you have filled out all the details, go ahead and click Next. Find the location where you want to save the project, and you're gonna end up where I'm gonna be in the next screen. Okay, so let me pause the video, save this, and come back. Okay, so as you can see, our project is created, and now we are ready to go. So everything in this project is ready to go. So in the next video, we're going to start working to build out our models, utils, views throughout the course. And then we're going to end up with the app that we actually just explored. Okay, so I will see you guys in the next video where we'll start with our to-do model. All right, thank you so much.